We have two ways to clean the bed. One with this stick and one with a small stick. It depends of what bed do you have, or a big one or a small one. So we use this small handle because now we are going to show also the next part how we clean the bed. Before we use no brush, and now we are going to use the brush to clean also the mattress above. So we are going to see more dirt now.
Στο κάνω.
Subscribe.
Δεν
Now that we show actually what is going on in my sister's bed, we are going to show what is going on inside the bed, okay, with vibration. Focus there.